G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company in New Zealand. So today I'm here at my mate's business, and he's been spending a couple of hours in the back room tidying up his old Datsun. Let's go have a look at it and see what he's done. I've got a little wiring repair, and once that's done I get free choice of the food cabinet. It's a really good system for me.
My baking mechanic. Yeah, well, that's why it's not working.
It doesn't have a spatula. Is it a spatula or a spanner? It's a spanner, not a spatula. How many years you been building it so far? 4.
There was no plan B.
This was plan A.
Plan A.
So the engine's no longer been underwater? It's all got new bits?
No, it was never the engine that was underwater. The gearbox was underwater.
Only the gearbox?
Yeah, as far as you can tell.
But that's all shiny now?
Yeah.
Inside and out?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Did you put some cams in this engine in the end?
NAs.
Oh, you just put the NA cams.
Yeah.
And what colour is it? What's this colour?
Millennium Jade.
Millennium Jade. Millennium Jade. You told me that the other day and I couldn't remember.
JW0.
JW0.
It's a paint coat.
It's actually looking really good now. It's had paint on it and it's all one colour. It's looking quite lovely, isn't it? How many hours you reckon in setting up the front struts?
Which set?
Overall.
Oh, once we got it sussed out, not too long.
Huh?
Yeah. There was who did it? It took longer to get the guy from Stocks.
Yep.
George Stocks. It took longer for the guy to figure out sort of which ones to use. They're a bit of a tight fit. You almost have to grind the paint off them to get them down the tubes.
Oh, yeah. I do like the springs on your brake lines, like the factory look.
On my, that's the vent line.
Oh, the vent line?
Yeah, that's the vent line.
Looking factory?
Yeah.
Looking factory. More factory than a factory thing.
A little throwback.
Sexual manifolds.
Thanks, Simcoe. Let's talk about the dump pipe. Should we put a string around it?
They did a nice job with the poultry, eh?
Thanks.
Did you do that? You're a clever bugger, eh?
It's probably got more bulb in it than the whole car.
The dash. Anyway. Dozer's looking after your car.
Yeah, because they were split.
Now I've finished working on the car, can I eat cake?
Yeah.
I think I eat cake.
You can eat cake.
Yep, I'm going to eat cake.
Eclairs.
Eclairs? Deal to the eclairs?
And a banana bread for Mum. For me.
I'm eating an eclair. It seems the job is finished now. Put 2 wires on reverse switch. Test reverse switch. A reverse switch was stuffed. I'm still eating cake. Oh, eclairs.